Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z7201XX. Only 28,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, tungsten metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, along with power outlet. And very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof overhead. Again, only 28,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead. Power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7201XX to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.